Hey, what's up, y'all? I'm very happy right now. I just recently got this Meta Quest 3S with the Batman bundle, the 256 gigabytes version. So let's unbox it, and yeah, here we go. I'll start unwrapping it. As y'all can see here, yeah. I've been wanting a VR since the PlayStation VR. The PSVR 2 is pretty dead. There's no games recently for the PSVR. Oh my god, here's the controllers. Wow. These controllers feel amazing. Oh my god, yo. And there should be some and a strap and some cables for it. It's not really rocket science here. Here it is. This is the lens. The difference between this and the other one, the Meta Quest 3, the normal one, has pancake lenses. This one has the old, just like the Quest 2 VR headset. So yeah, this really has this matte finish and a few cameras right here in the front, while the Meta Quest 3 has like 3 cameras like this. So yeah, not really rocket science here. Yeah, you just play games connected to your phone, and that should be it. This is a very short video. Sorry for the late uploads, and yeah, it's just the moving houses and the process is overall it's pretty time consuming and pretty exhausting. So yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video, and we'll be doing a full review of the games and reviews on this when I'm playing it and setting it up. Alright, y'all. Peace.